Anyway, this is a pre-written adventure. This is a big one. This is like a campaign on its own. And what you have to notice when you're opening these kinds of books is this page. You see? Credits. Who credits? I can just do it here. Credits. The story creator and lead writer, Christopher Perkins. Well, those who know Dungeons & Dragons know Christopher Perkins probably. Or at least get involved in the community know him. And then you have all these people who have added to this adventure. People, this is not you. You are but one individual. So, if you get inspired by a game like Lost Mines of Phandelver and you wanted to start your game, you might think that the first thing you have to do is write something called an introduction to your adventure, a synopsis. What is this book about? How do you run this adventure? Who will you meet in this adventure and everything? Well, don't get into that tunnel vision because that will not help you at all. Because it's way too big for one person to do. It's the same as you can always start to write a whole game system, but you will find in a way that, unless it's a really simple game system, of course, you can always do that. That's pretty hard to do something like that yourself, and I've experienced this. I mean, that's why you're now on Voidcast Live. So set your expectations when you start building your own adventure, and don't take it from products that are already there. Although, of course, you can include or get inspiration from these books. But then start determining for yourself what you want out of your first adventure.